After a long, busy and stressful day, you deserve to treat yourself to a yummy but healthy dinner. First of all, orange juice, peach, apricot, onion, brown sugar, preserved apricot jam, mustard, honey, garlic, ginger salt, and leave it there for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna marinate the meat with some pepper, some salt as well. Now start to prepare to cook the chicken. Virgin coconut oil. So I'm gonna cook the chicken. So we're done. The chicken is well cooked. What I want to do next is to actually add sauce. Let it boil for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it nicely here. Okay. And after you put the spring onion, it's pretty much done and it's time for some food tasting time. So check it out, guys.